Hello, this is Howard from All-in-One Contracting and Design. Today's project we'll be doing a shower with a tub, a freestanding tub, basically with the vanity and all this for inside this shower here. So today we're going to be putting in a Delta faucet, and the Delta faucet basically come with these type of fittings to be inserted inside of them to be installed. Underneath the bottom here I have a piece of wood that I've cut. It's a 2 by 10. I've cut the 2 by 2 5/8 out of it, and also on the subfloor itself I've cut out the hole 2 and 2 5/8. Originally I drilled a hole just to be able to fit all my pipes through for a small little hole. So underneath here I have a valve. Not sure if you can see these valves. Okay, good. I have 3/8 hand on these valves underneath here to be connected to the original faucet that we're going to have. But now we've changed it to be this style, so you get it mounted underneath the bottom, screw the mounting plates underneath here. The board is mounted, and this is mounted under the board, then we insert it. On here, there's a way that you have to face it. I marked a couple of lines so that it has to face this way, but on the plate itself as well, it says this end faces the tub. This is going to be going into here and get installed, and then these guys will be sticking up like that. But first, I'm going to show you what I have planned to solder onto the bottom of these. So when the freestanding faucet comes in from Delta, it looks like this. So we're going to unbox this right now, and we're going to go take a look at it. So now we're going to unbox it. Whoa! So this is what it's going to look like when you unbox it. When you open it up, this is the bottom, where you can see the holes and the bolts and all that's going to lined up. On here is a line right here for the direction of where it should face. So inside of here, there's only 2 holes, and they're pretty much solid. You can take those out, don't bother trying. The faucet itself looks something like this. My hand's quite dirty right now, so I'm not going to be touching it at the moment. However, when the faucet comes, it does not come with a mounting plate. The mounting plate would have to be hardened separately, and this is where all of the information is on it. So you'll be cutting the plate, not cutting the plate, but you'll be mounting the plate, and this here is just the concrete direction of it. When the faucet comes, it will only come with an instruction like this, showing you that the the supply is going to be sticking up, and this is basically how it mounts to be able to mount the faucet itself. However, it doesn't come with the mounting plate. When the mounting plate comes, it's going to come with 2 of these little guys here, which is going to be inserted into the bottom of there. And it comes with the plate, a cover for it, and where there's the 4 bolts that you just saw. Here we're going to be doing it with the tile, and basically you have the subfloor. The minimum that we're allowed to have is a 1/2 inch, and the maximum is 1 inch. So back there, I'll be using, basically with the measurement, I'll show you what I do in order just to verify. So 2 5/8 is the hole that we cut, and then you'll see the plate basically sticking up. This is the 2 by 10 that's got cut, and basically placed on the board itself, and then pushed up into the hole to look like this. So this is what you see when I first started. Under the bottom, that's what it says. This end faces the tub. So that's why I put a line under to make sure we can see. So right here, it's showing you all the parts that's going to be connected, soldered on. So instead of doing all of that, I'm just going to solder 1 joint, and I'll show you what the plan is. Okay, so I got myself my PEX, and basically one of the valves so I can show you. So here we have a PEX connection. This is a 1/2 inch female sweated on connection to a 1/2 inch PEX. So this is the 1/2 inch PEX. This end that's going to be sweated onto here. Then I'm going to put on the PEX, and then I'm going to change that to a 1/2 inch by a 1/2 inch compression. So the compression is going to push up into the PEX and connect it, so I can convert it into a 3/8 hose, 3/8 connection hose. This will be connected into the valve that I showed you earlier inside of the room, and then this is all I need. So I'm going to sweat this on, and then change it over to compression, and then put on my 3/8 valve that will connect to my valve. 3/8 line that will connect to my valve. This is for the Delta faucet. This is all the part of the project that we're doing right now. So the kitchen is basically getting ready. We've installed, cut and removed this wall. We've installed now, the kitchen is going in. The floor, we're going to be kind of dealing with that later on. I'll show you my method for cleaning it up and getting it ready. So here we are inside of the kitchen right now. And this is was quite small before, so I've teared down a couple of areas to be able to build this. This is the original wall from the original owners.